Hi viewers, welcome to our new video and you are watching Mechatronics Solution channels. And this time I am sitting inside the Caterpillar drum truck 772. So problem is that here you can see this warning light of engine warning light is coming. This is a parking light and this was the engine light is coming. So I'm going to check why this light is coming and what type of code is coming. I am going to diagnose the problem, so please be with me. Today's video is going on very informative, and also I show you the codes. Here's the codes are this monitoring screen, and here the code is also coming. Code is engine ECM 94-3. it means voltage high. Okay, fuel pressure, here is written, this is written fuel pressure voltage high. Okay, my main code is this one, engine ECM 94-3, fuel pressure voltage high. I'm going to downside and check the sensor voltages through multimeter. So here you can see now I came to the engine side, and this one is my fuel pressure sensor. Okay, so here you can see it's my connector here. So first I check the voltage. Okay, so this time I don't have the pin, so I just make small cut here, and I put this one. I check this green one wire is a ground wire. Okay, and this pink and this white one. This one white wire is here. This white one is also coming voltage. I show you. This time machine is just on position, not start. First I show you in on position the voltages coming are here or not, and after it I will start the machine, then again I show you the voltages here. First I multimeter, so I put knob on the voltage side. This is my red lead and here's my negative lead. So viewers, you can see I fixed my multimeter here. This negative lead I permanently fixed to this green one, and one by one I put then my positive lead of my multimeter to this white wire and this pink wire, downside pink wire. Okay, and show you the voltage. This time the machine just is on position, not starting position. First I check the response at the on position. Here you can see this white wire, and here's coming the 5.0. So input voltage is 5.01. So it means input voltages are good. So it means my positive voltages are here coming a good one. So now I will put on the pink wire. I show you what is the voltages on pink wire. My red LED on the pink wire. So here you can check the 6.2 voltage. Okay, so these voltages are very high. So now I am going to start the machine, and after starting I will show you the response of this pressure sensor. In position I am going to check the response of this sensor. So here you watch the in on position and starting position the fuel sensor giving the high voltages. It means my fuel pressure sensor is faulty, so I have to change it. So here you can see I have brought this new fuel pressure sensor. Now I'm going to fix this one. Okay, I have removed this old one. Okay, this old one I have removed it. So now I'm going to fix this one, and after it I will start the machine and let you know. So here you can see I have fixed the new fuel pressure. Okay, so now I'm going to start the machine, and after starting it I show the response of this sensor. So first I go inside and start the machine and show you the response inside the cabin, and after it I come down and using by multimeter I show you the response of this sensor. So here you can see now I am inside the cabin. I am going to on the machine. Okay, so now machine is in on position. Now machine is on. Okay, so here you can see the spark light is coming. Now I'm going to start the machine, because after starting here engine light is coming. So now I have fixed new fuel sensor. So now I'm going to start the machine and we'll check response. So you can see now machine is in starting position. This is RPM. Okay, so I'm waiting for some time, some minutes. So I will wait some seconds, because after starting, after some seconds, this code is coming here. Okay, so you can see still not any warning has appeared. So it's been my problem as a finish. So now almost 2 minutes has passed, but still warning has not appeared. So now I'm going downside, and by using multimeter show you the response of the fuel pressure sensor. Now I have came downside. Now I'm in the starting. This white wire you can see is giving the the voltage has dropped. Before a 6 point something, now a 2.9, almost 3 voltages. So it's mean my sensor is now working. Before the sensor problem, now is my sensor is working good now. So here you can see my problem has finished. Now all the code has gone. It says also screen is only parking light is showing. Okay, so I also show you to using the multimeter. My old fuel sensor was giving the 6.2 voltages, but this new one is giving the 2.98. My problem is finished. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. So if you have any questions, please write down your comments in the comment box. I will reply you.